Dear friends, today I will try to solve a query asked by some of you from section 10. Okay, and this is please elaborate more on not later than the filing date and 3 months from date of filing in section 10, subsection 4, clause D, subclause 2A. And this is every complete specification shall be accompanied by an abstract to provide technical information on the invention. It is quite understandable, provided that bit 2, if the applicant mentions a biological material in the specification which may not be described in such a way as to satisfy clauses A and B, and if such material is not available to the public, the application shall be completed by depositing the material to an international depository authority under the Budapest Treaty and by fulfilling the following conditions, namely A. The deposit of the material shall be made not later than the date of filing the patent application in India, and a reference thereof shall be made in the specification within the prescribed period, and the prescribed period is 3 months from the date of filing of the application. Okay, so here this is quite clear that every complete specification must be accompanied by an abstract and which describes the technical information of the invention. Fine. And here bit 2 says if the applicant has mentioned a biological material in the specification and it is not described in such a way that it satisfies clauses A and B, okay, of section 10 subsection 4. Okay, so and another condition is that if such material is not available to the public, if these things are happening, then the application shall be completed by depositing the material to an international depository authority. Fine, and this is according as per the Budapest Treaty. Okay, and by fulfilling the following conditions, and the condition is that the deposit of the material shall be made not later than the date of filing of the patent application in India, and so on. The explanation is material deposition should be done at the time of filing the patent application, that is date must be same, we can say, and filing in India. Fine. So we can say material deposition should be done at the time of filing the patent application in India, that is date must be same, and a reference should be made in the specification within 3 months from the date of filing of the patent application. Fine, this is the explanation. Also, if we want a clear understanding, we can go to rule 13 subrule 8, which says the period within which a reference to the deposit shall be made in the specification under subclause A of clause 2 of subsection 4 of section 10 shall be 3 months from the date of filing of the application, provided that in case of a request for publication under rule 24A, such reference shall be made on or before the date of filing of such request. Fine, where we can go for rule 24A, which the title is request for publication, and it says a request for publication under subsection 2 of section 11A shall be made in form 9. And what is form 9? This is about request for publication. Okay, so as it mentions section 11A, we can go to section 11A subsection 2, and it says the applicant may in the prescribed manner request the controller to publish his application at any time before the expiry of the period prescribed under subsection 1, and subject to the provisions of subsection 3, the controller shall publish such application as soon as possible, and so on. That means we can proceed further also. That means again explaining subsection 1 and subsection 3, etc., etc. Fine. So I think it is clear now, and I must mention one thing. What is Budapest Treaty? Budapest Treaty was adopted in 1977, and it concerns a specific topic in the international patent process, that is microorganisms. Fine. So my question to all of you is that India is a member of Budapest Treaty or not? Please try to answer this. Okay. So I think the query is clear now. And if it is not cleared, or if I'm not able to clarify your query, then do ask me again. It's okay. I'll be happy to answer it. Okay, fine. So thank you, and please share my video, please subscribe my channel, and keep interacting. Thank you.